Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Terrell in Tennessee on this Galaxy DX94 HP. Terrell, got you ready to go, bud? Our tune alignment. Got you in a static 636 matched up with this bad boy. Start with the RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Get set about 5 watts all the way down. That's in case you decide to run a 4-pill or something later on Terrell. Wide open, 32 watts. Show your average power swing. Hello, 68 bird average. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello, 145 PEP. Now Terrell, you can run this on the front taps of your truck and probably get by okay. If there's any way you can run this directly to the battery, you're going to see the most optimum performance. Anything over 100 watts, you're obviously going to do better going to the battery. But we got you fixed up, and I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.